I think we need a little introduction. My name is Josephine. I'm a nurse. I'm a self-taught baker. I have two small children, Clara and Elliot. They are 4 and 2.5 years old. Me and my journey on social media started on Instagram, where I have a following now as 20,000, and throughout social media I have 35,000, and then on TikTok and Facebook and Snapchat. And I have tried different, just both in Norwegian and in English, and now this YouTube channel is mostly in English. Some will be double up, so I will have some in Norwegian and some in English, but everything will be in English. And so that will be very exciting. I've never done it, and most known to bake, and what's have given me the following I have, that is Macarons. Give a masterclass in English when I bake later this week. I'm so excited, and I really hope this YouTube channel is something that I can build on, I hope. Besides macarons, I have different cake recipes, cupcake recipes, also all Norwegian recipes. So I will share this with you, translated in English and everything. I have so much materials, but it's the wrong view. It's not this way, not horizontal, it's vertical. But I will try. And I have some masterclasses that I could publish quite soon. So leave a comment of what you want to know, if you want specific Norwegian recipes translated and shown. Okay, love.